के आज हम लोग क्लास 4 का साइंस जिसका चैप्टर 2 द टॉपिक नेम टेट डाइजेशन एंड माइक्रोब्स इसके एक्सरसाइज के साथ हम लोग हैं। आज हम लोग एक्सरसाइज में ए में देखते हैं टिक द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, जिसमें क्वेश्चन है दिस टेथ आर यूज द वाइट ऑफ द फूड इन सीजर, दिस इज द आउटर लेयर ऑफ द टूथ इन एमएल to declare cows bad bread. This is not a part of digestion system. Knows which of these microorganisms have to make bread and idli soft to fungi. Fill in the blanks. The four chisel-shaped teeth at the front in the jaw are called incisor. The visual white part of the tooth is called enamel. The process of breaking down to food into the simple form is called a digestion. The digestion of food is complete in the large intestine. Disease causing microorganisms are called germs. Right, true, false. By the time a baby becomes 3 years old, it has 8 of the 32 teeth. False. The visual outer core of a tooth is called enamel. True. The small intestine add acid to the food. False. We should drink plenty of water. True. Malaria and diarrhea are caused by virus. False. Match the columns. Molar का होगा हमारा largest teeth, incisor, tear teeth, temporary teeth, milk teeth, 4 more teeth, wisdom teeth, and last outer cover of the teeth, enamel. अब आते हैं हम लोग write the short answer. Name the different kind of teeth. Name different kind of teeth is a incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. What kind of food are good for our health? So food that consists calcium and vitamin A, C, D. Food like milk, cheese, fruit, green leafy vegetable are food for teeth. What is the role of saliva? The saliva is a liquid present in the mouth. It is the digestion juice which begins and digestion of the carbohydrate. What happens in the large intestine? In the large intestine, most of the water present in the undigested food is taken back into the blood. List 2 disease each caused by bacteria, virus and fungi. बैक्टीरिया से हमारा होता है tuberculosis and the typhoid. वायरस से हमारा चिकन पॉक्स, पोलियो एंड फंगी से होता है हमारा रिंग वॉर्म एंड द एथलेंस फूड. अब इसका आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन, जिसमें आपको डिस्क्राइब करके हमने लिख दिया है. डिस्क्राइब द डिफरेंट सेट ऑफ द टीथ, यानी इसमें दोनों दाग बताना है कि एक हमारा टेम्पररी और परमानेंट. बाय द टाइम ऑफ बेबी बिकम 3 years ही हैज सेट ऑफ 22. ही सेट द फर्स्ट टीथ कॉल्ड द टेम्पररी teeth of milk. When a child about 6 to 7 years, his milk teeth start to fall down and next set of the teeth start to appear and second set is teeth is called a temporary teeth. What are the function of incisor, canine, premolar and molar? इनके क्या काम है? तो incisor, the function of different type of teeth. Incisor, the full chisel shaped teeth of the front of each jaw and specially made for cutting the food. Canine, they are the 2 pointed teeth, one on each side of them. Incisor, they work to grip and tear the food. Premolar, their function is to tear and crush the food during the chewing. Molar are the largest of the teeth. Their function is to crush and grind the food. What should we do to keep our teeth healthy? We should brush our teeth twice a day, use dental floss and clean up between teeth. We should rinse our mouth after every meal. We should eat food that contains calcium, vitamin A, C, D, and apples and raw carrots are considered very good for teeth. What is the function of the stomach? In the stomach, when you swallow food, it goes into the food pipe and the food pipe open into the stomach and food remain into the stomach for a few times. The stomach churns the food all the time and changes it into the fine paste, and the stomach add acid to the food. This acid kill many germs that may be present in the food. What is the function of a small intestine? In the small intestine, digestion juice from the liver and the pancreas makes the food. The digestion of the food the complete in the small intestine. Useful substance from the digestion for food enter the blood vessel in the small intestine. The blood transform the substance is every part of the body. What is microbes? Name the 2 disease caused by protozoa. Microbes are extremely small living thing, visible only through a microscope. There are 4 टाइप ऑफ माइक्रोब्स, बैक्टीरिया, वायरस, प्रोटोजोआ एंड फंगी. Malaria and diarrhea are caused by protozoa. How is the bacteria and fungi useful? Bacteria and fungi are useful to be cows. Bacteria change milk into the curd, produce vitamin in our body and help in the decay of dead plant and animal. Some fungi called yeast help to make food item like bread, idli, dosa and ढोकला soft. चलिए इस वीडियो को देख कर आप इसको कॉपी में कर लेंगे और इसको खोलने के बाद हम इसे चेक कर लेंगे.